This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is a mid-range smartphone designed for people who want a modern phone with 5G connectivity, good cameras and a long battery life at an affordable price. It belongs to Samsung's Galaxy A series, which focuses on providing useful features at lower price compared to the flagship phones. This smartphone offers a large display, triple camera system and a powerful battery, making it suitable for daily tasks such as watching videos, social media, gaming and photography. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. This large screen provides clear images, bright colors and good viewing experience for videos and games. It also has 90 Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling through apps looks smooth. This smartphone comes with three rear cameras, 50 MP main camera for detailed photos, 5 MP ultra-wide camera for wider scenes, 2 MP macro camera for close-up shots. There is also 13 MP front camera for selfies and video calls. This smartphone runs on Samsung Exynos 1330 processor and it is powerful processor. It helps the phone to handle everyday tasks like browsing, messaging, and moderate gaming smoothly. This smartphone comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is designed to last a full day of normal usage, such as streaming, calling, and social media. This smartphone supports 25-watt fast charging, allowing the battery to recharge faster compared to standard charging. This smartphone usually comes with different memory options like 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, 8 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. Storage can also be expanded using a micro SD card. This smartphone supports 5G mobile networks, which allow faster internet speeds and better connectivity in supported areas. Samsung promises 6 years of software and security updates. This means phone will stay safe and up to date. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. First one, large and bright display. The Super AMOLED screen provides good colors and brightness for watching videos and browsing. Second one, good main camera. The 50 MP camera captures clear photos in good lighting conditions. Third one, long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery can last a full day for most users. Fourth one, affordable 5G smartphone. It provides 5G support at a budget price, making it good option for many users. Fifth one, smooth everyday performance. The Exynos processor and RAM options allow smooth performance for common tasks. Sixth one, long support. Getting updates for 6 years is very rare for budget phones. Now we will see cons of this smartphone. First one, average ultra-wide camera. The 5 MP ultra-wide camera does not produce very sharp images compared to flagship phones. Second one, not designed for heavy gaming. The processor is good for normal use but not ideal for high-end gaming. Third one, no telephoto zoom camera. The phone lacks a dedicated zoom camera, so zoom photos are limited. Fourth one, charging speed is moderate. Although it supports fast charging, 25-watt charging is slower than some competing phones. Fifth one, no stereo speakers. It has only one speaker at the bottom, so the sound is not as loud or balanced as phones with two speakers. Sixth one, no headphone jack. You will need a USB-C adapter or Bluetooth headphones to listen to music. Now we will see what are the customer positive feedbacks. Customers appreciate the battery lasts a long time during daily usage. Users like a big AMOLED screen, which is good for watching videos and browsing. People find the phone fast enough for normal activities like social media, messaging, and apps. Many buyers say it offers strong features for budget smartphone. Now we will see the price. The price depends on RAM and storage variant. For the base model with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, the price is around 18,999 rupees or $199. The higher variants may cost 20,499 rupees to 23,499 rupees, depending on RAM and storage.